All right, so as you can tell, my face is going through it. It really is. It's breaking out pretty bad. So just ignore the breakouts, okay? What's going on here? It's just part of life, I guess. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. I'm really excited to do a first impression just because I have not used any of the Juvia'S products. To do a first impression for the ones I had never purchased this product, or if you have and you don't have these, whatever I got in here, then you'll get a first-hand type of review, first impression review. Now I've had this box literally, I've not opened it because I am actually just not good with poker faces. So I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna open it and do a first impression while I'm on camera with you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and try to open it with this thing, which is probably not gonna work, but whatever, we'll try. Yeah, this isn't working. This laziness is a real thing. I got it. First time ordering something off their website, and yeah, let's go ahead and open it together. Now it's not going to be your normal unboxing. I actually will do this really quick, show you what I got, and I'll pick a palette and do a full review with that palette, and in the next palette I'll do a full review next video. Otherwise it's going to be a super long video. If you guys don't mind a super long video, comment below and let me know. I don't know, I personally get distracted pretty quick, so I don't mind long videos, but I feel like I may mind long video. Anyway, first thing on top is the Juvia'S foundation. Kind of looks a bit beat up. Now the reason I wanted to try their product, my friend kept raving about their stuff and their foundation, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and just try it. And I know they have it at Ulta, so I did look at the foundation at Ulta before I purchased the foundation, and I did try it and I really did like it. I didn't purchase it then because it ran out. It's when they first launched and they didn't have my shade, so I went ahead and just purchased it during the 4th of July sale. I can't talk sometimes. Anyway, first off, before we do anything, I'm gonna go ahead and cover these zits up, please. I already tried this foundation again in the store. I just didn't purchase it then. I wore it all day and I was happy with it. It did not cause my skin to irritate, but as I use it, I will update you on future videos and let you know if you have sensitive skin like I do. The reason I started breaking out is because during the IPSY video, I don't know if you remember, but I said I'll go ahead and try the moisturizer. I tried that moisturizer and it broke my face out. I have very sensitive skin though, so yeah, I've still been trying to, ever since then. It's like my skin's been going through its little ups and downs and it looks crazy now. The package is really small, but a little bit goes a long way. I was surprised how little you can apply and how much full coverage you get. I'm sure you've heard that before in different reviews, or even if you have it, I'm sure you can attest to that as well. I have shade Alexandria 650, so that's the one that I got. It is a full coverage. It says apply product with a wet beauty sponge or synthetic makeup brush with a sweeping and buffing motion all over your face, which that is what we're gonna do. I already primed my face. I already put my lotion, my primer. I'm just gonna go ahead and do, oh yeah, okay, here we go. By the way, I really like the like light orange color, coral orange. I don't know, but I like the packaging. It's really nice. Okay, so let's go ahead and apply a little dot. In order for it to look as smooth and avoid cakiness, to me, I found that this is the best method to apply, is to use that stippling method. Really full coverage. Let me go ahead and zoom out. It literally covered all my redness. I don't even know if I'm gonna need to even wear a concealer with this one. I'm gonna do half of my face. I was gonna do this side. I'm not gonna do that side. I'm just gonna do this half of my face. The difference. I normally don't wear a lot of foundation during the week. I actually wear CC cream. If I wear foundation, it's more so to go out, or if I want to do more full coverage, but because the weather's been crazy where I live, I normally just wear CC cream to avoid, you know, more breakouts and clogging my pores with wearing foundation all the time, and that does help. giving myself breaks from wearing foundation. I normally put foundation on my lids too. Not all the time, but just to even everything out. Oh. So as you can tell, it is very full coverage. When I first applied this foundation, it reminded me of Born This Way Too Faced foundation, but this one's a bit more matte, so it won't look as dewy, which for me, if you have oily skin, that's a good thing. I have very oily skin, so I like to mattify it during the day, or if I'm going out or if I'm going to work, I prefer a mattified look. Is that a word? Whatever, I think it is. Anyway, but I prefer it toned down just because I don't want to look super glowy and dewy while I'm at my job. It's gonna look like, where are you going, girl? Where are you going? So I try to keep it really matte, and this is really nice. I really do like it. Again, I did try it on last time before I purchased it, and I was really pleased with it. How it lasted all day without getting cakey, and that's the really impressive part in my opinion, is that it doesn't look cakey, which is really nice. You know how sometimes you wear foundation and even if you prime, even if you apply it nicely, it still tends to look cakey half through the day. That's the nice part about this one. That didn't happen last time I tried it out at the store. I ran out of space. I had to clear up some space on my phone. So I went ahead and just did finish my foundation, and now let's move along to palettes.